As the summer approaches the valley, the conversation about resources to help the homeless continues to heat up. This afternoon, community leaders in Vigo County met to discuss options to assist the homeless during extreme weather conditions. Demetrius Sanders attended this discussion, and he joins us now with how these leaders plan to solve this issue. Demetrius.
Mike, when extreme heat or cold hits the Wabash Valley, typically churches or pop-up shelters provide temporary housing for the homeless. But now, leaders who work within the homeless community are searching for options that are a bit more permanent. Every day, hundreds of homeless walk the streets of Vigo County, a problem that some say is growing as the years pass.
People are coming to Terre Haute. Homeless are coming from Indianapolis to Terre Haute.
Kern says he estimates that approximately 300 homeless are in Vigo County at this time. And with an increase of the amount of homeless coming into the county, community leaders say resources need to be available to make sure these people aren't forgotten.
Very soon we're going to be rolling into those hot Indiana summers that everybody hates. You know, the humidity is through the roof and the temperature is just about the same. So we're talking about now a heat emergency, whereas before we were talking about people freezing to death.
For months now, Hull and Kearns, among other community leaders, have discussed plans to create a permanent government-operated heating and cooling center, but funding still stands in the way.
When you look at your operating costs, how you're going to staff it, what kind of services can you provide, that's where things get more challenging.
And while the details are being discussed on a permanent shelter, other forms of help are in the works.
We focus on a program that we're working on called the Red Flag, White Flag program.
This program would allow agencies throughout Vigo County to fly a red or white flag at their building, signifying that they are available to help the homeless during extreme heat or cold.
It's not necessarily a system for homeless shelters, but more of a, hey, we're in a crisis situation, and it builds a network for people to have care during those extreme temperatures.
For this sort of program to operate, there will be an increased need for trained volunteers. I spoke with a representative from Hamilton Center this afternoon, and she says she is working to make mental health training available for those who need it.
What would it take for this red flag, white flag program to become official?
Yeah, so they're still sort of working out the language in it, but it would have to be approved by the county commissioners, and Kern says he hopes to have this done by midsummer.
All right, very good. Thank you, Demetrius, for that report.